She found her herring.
Oh my god, we're looking for 2 days.
Alrighty, good morning guys. It is Saturday 14th of December and you'll never guess how we are starting our day. We are trying to make it to the Amsterdam park run and it is about a bit over 3 k's from our hotel, so we're just kind of warming up, trying to get there on time. As you can see, it's still relatively dark. Sunrise here is at 8:45 a.m. so nice and late for the Europe winter, and it's about, I think by now it'd be about 4 or 5 degrees, so not too cold. It was a lot colder when we first got out, but now we're all warmed up with our clothes on, body heating up, so actually pretty nice and comfortable.
Hi friends, welcome to my first ever vlog. So today I'm gonna start my vlog with park run with Life of George! I don't think we can make it, but this is the park. Have a look on the side. We are in Amsterdam.
Here's my hand, the
I'm
selfie
really
hand.
tired. I will try to make it to my first park run, but I'm okay with this jogging. It's pretty rain and soaky wet. I joined park run for the last 2 years. And my first park run is in Amsterdam. How cool is that?
That's amazing. Holy hell, I'm wrecked. Definitely out of shape. Let's stop my watch. There it is. Not too bad. There's someone that is grossly out of shape. Oh my god, I am wrecked. Oh. That was a pretty tough 5Ks.
I look behind me and I see no one for a mile. Just
see all this smoke coming out. Now I've got to wait 10 minutes for Nacha. Everyone's already packing up, ready to go. And here it comes Nat.
Yay!
It's time for tomorrow's park run.
I run with him, Sharif, and his mom.
Good work guys, how you going George?
Well done.
Good work, good. How is Boo Boo's kiosk coffee?
What's spoiled?
Strudel or something?
This? Great. Croissants.
Is this sugar?
Is it sure? I think it's like another type of sugar. Yeah, I got oat latte and Josh got oat cap for the first time.
They have
So
no
weird.
soy, so we got oat cap.
Yeah. Total is 10 euro.
10.45.
10.45 euro. After park run, because feel really happy.
Yeah.
How was the park run? You run ahead of me.
Very
You ran
nice.
half. By the way, he ran 5k, I ran 5.6.
I don't know where she found another 600 in a
It's
park.
free.
600
I just want to
meters.
run extra. Next time I'll do ultra.
Alright guys, we are just back at our hotel room chilling and getting ready for our day out. Once we leave, we are not coming back until the evening. So we are just gonna have a quick lunch here. My poke bowl, salad, I have this, I have my yogurt, and I have this for later tonight or tomorrow morning as soon as I wake up, and then my juice. All of this for like 13 euros. A lot cheaper than having breakfast downstairs at the buffet, that's for sure. For a place like this, we pay 290 AED for 2 nights, so 145 a night or thereabouts, so not too bad value for a place like this. And yeah, it's a little bit out from the city from last night and this morning. It's only just a 15-minute walk to the tram, and also just a couple of things we've done. We did a 2-day pass, I think it was 15 euros each for 2 days, and that's just unlimited trams and metros around, so really handy. Okay Nacha, go run us through the plan today. Where are we going?
Oh wow. What's your plan?
Your plan?
My plan. So we start with Central Stations here. Try to go somewhere in Jordan. It's called Red Light Distinct. And Anna France. I want to go Van Gogh. And also there's another palace here, and then we're gonna walk to Christmas.
Okay, very nice. Good plan, Nacha. Kronenburger. Alright, we are out now, and what are we gonna do here, Nacha?
We're gonna check out the Christmas market.
Christmas market's just over there. And then Nacha was like, what is Margot Robbie?
Oh, I didn't see it.
That is Margot Robbie.
Oops, didn't see that.
And then the Diamond Museum over there.
Yeah, and the Diamond Museum, and then we have Van Gogh.
Van Gogh, wow, exciting. I cannot wait
exciting.
for Van Gogh Art Museum.
Sounds sarcastic.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, so Christmas markets first? Mokko Museum, what is that? Lots of museums around there. Got some burgers and hot dogs over here. Burgers and hot dogs. Curry, I don't want no curry. We'll try it a little bit.
Pizza salami!
You like it? No?
Hello. Whoa. Meat lovers something. Fries. Straight to the food for Nacha.
One herring sandwich, please.
Oh,
Herring sandwich, of course. We're gonna prepare for you.
I found this.
She found her herring.
Fried the crispy fried fish also.
Oh, okay, we got that. She found her herring.
Oh my god.
Been
We're looking for
fish,
2 days. It's like,
I'm gonna get that.
you're gonna have that?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Been waiting for?
Yes, I've been waiting for this. I flew
why
all
you've
the
been
way
waiting?
for this.
How's the herring? Yeah, pretty good. How much was that?
This and the fried fish, 2 for 13 euro.
I thought that was 20 euros.
I never look at the price. Like it?
Can't go wrong with poke bowls. I was buying a drink and she's like, you want Pepsi or beer? Now what I just buy beer.
He said Pepsi and I'm like, do you want Pepsi or beer?
So since the weather is not too good and sunset is actually 4:30 around this area, sunrise at 8:45 and sunset at 4:30, so not a lot of time for sun with the sun out. I don't feel like the sun even came out today. It's been like this all day, but we've opted to go for a canal cruise while it's still decently bright so we can actually see the canals and the houses.
It's like this, you have a private tour.
You know, when Harold and I were here 11 years ago, we did this canal tour on a Kentucky tour.
Holding hands.
No, and then we were smoking. And then we were smoking on the boat, thinking you could smoke everywhere. And the guy's like, you're not allowed to smoke on the boat. And then we just threw it off the boat. He's like, don't throw it off the boat. We're like, oh, okay. We were so high, we don't know what we were doing. What's that? That's her Temu. That's her Temu.
Best Buy.
Temu buy.
The 14-month cheese. It's our most popular one actually.
Special for
The older it gets, the stronger it gets, while the younger it gets.
So we have traveled halfway around the world and Nat wants to have Indonesian food in Amsterdam.
3 different skewers, chicken, beef and goat. Roasted coconut peanut, this one component of the rice and the beans crackers. Enjoy.
Alright, this one.
You're not gonna come here before.
Are you sure you don't want to try the beef? Beef, chicken, and goat. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Big day for us here in Amsterdam. Unfortunately, we will be leaving tomorrow to our next location, which is Vienna or Prague. Oh, Cologne. We're going to Cologne.
Yes.
Yeah, Cologne. We're gonna head south to Germany to Cologne. So yeah, we just spent the night. We went to all these main strips, but more so went up and down Darmstadtjes, and now checked out the red light district. How was that?
Let's go back.
Let's go back. Nat was going to like every single store. What was Nat's highlight of the evening?
What do you think?
I think it was the food. The Indonesian food. Out of everything here, we went to Indonesia. We had Indonesian food of all the things that are on the other side of the world. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and see you guys tomorrow.